Namaskar friends, welcome to Export Import Make in India campaign. And today in the session we will understand market update July 2024 C import export. Okay, so what is the current situation? We will understand with help of this session. Okay, so you can see in the screen. Okay, there are some points which we will cover in the session. So first point. First highlight is the Red Sea and shipping. So we are discussing about Red Sea and shipping. So there are some points we will understand one by one. Okay. So first is missile attack. Okay. So in the import-export sea trade, that in July the situation is that you can say that trade is barriered by this missile attack. Okay. You can say these are hurdles of the import-export by missile attack. These are continuously attacking going on in the Red Sea since May. Okay, since May, these are continuously starting since May. Okay. Then another point is we will understand where is the Red Sea. Okay, Red Sea is here. Okay, this is Red Sea starts from the Yemen and the Djibouti countries. Okay, and here the Ethiopia. This Red Sea is divided Middle East and Africa. You can say this is the border between the Middle East and Africa. We will understand by help of this map. Okay. So this is our map. We are living in India. This is our India. Okay. And this is the Red Sea. Okay. So this is the Middle East. Okay, Islamic country, and this is the Africa. Okay. So this Middle East and Africa is divided by this Red Sea. Okay. So here, Yemen is the country where the terrorists are attacking while this ship is moving. Okay, so by this we are facing, actually world are facing a lot of problem by this terrorist attack. We can understand this is the shortest way of the import-export. Okay, you can understand if we export from India, Pakistan, China, people are export and want to export to Europe. So how will they go? The container ship will pass through this Red Sea and go to directly to the Europe. Okay, if there is terrorist attack in this Red Sea, then the containers will move around Africa. Okay, this way and go to the Europe, South America and North America. Okay, so we can understand this is the longest route. Okay, in this longest route, the freight are high. Okay, so if we use this Red Sea route, then freight are low. Okay, so now we go to the point. Okay, so missile attacks continuously since May. Then traffic decline. Traffic through Bab el-Mandab decreased by 50% between June 10 to 16. In June 10 to 16, the traffic of this Red Sea is increased by the 50%. Okay, this Red Sea. Okay, we are talking about this Red Sea. Then traffic is decreased by the 50% on the option. The next point, shipping ton mile increase. Shipping ton mile, the volume of the shipping is increased. Okay, so this is also a highlight of the July 2024. Highest surge in the shipping ton miles since 2010 due to Red Sea attack. Okay, so mile tons are increased in this case. Then Houthi missile attack, a new long-range missile fired at another MSC container. Okay, so you can see there the MSC container ship is going there. That Houthi, these are the terrorist group, they fired the long-range missile. Before that, they are firing through the normal missile, but currently they are using a long-range missile. Okay, so this is also the problem in the Red Sea. Okay, now port congestion. So this is the highlight of July 2024. Port congestion. So slightly increases with 2.4 million TEU at Anchorage. Okay, then global port congestion at the 75% in the global fleet. The port congestion and the global fleet is are which is a 7.5%. Okay, we can understand what is the congestion at the port. If the ship are not unloading in timely, then another ship will come and that congestion will occur. Like any strike at the seaport, then it will impact the congestion of the port. Okay, because the people are not working there, the ship are not unloading, containers are not berthing. On due to this, another ship and time schedule of the all shipping is the dismissed. Okay, so we need to understand why it is port congestion. And terminal strike, you can understand the people work over the terminal, they work for the container movements and unloading from the ship and place the container yard. So there is a strike. What has happened due to this? Carrier reviewing the schedule due to another strike disturbing while Snellham terminal. Okay, so people are there striking. Okay, now rate increase. Recent rate increase follow the same pattern as the first wave of the COVID-19. Okay, so containers rate is increased because that due to the we can understand due to Red Sea and other container inventory is low, then it can be increased by rate. Okay, so rate is increased just like a COVID-19 first wave. Then new building delivery. The peak new building deliveries phase has passed. Container fleet has reached 30 MTEU. The next highlight is must record deal. Okay, must has got a record in the dealing, like a must set a new charging record at the rate 115,000 per day. This is the record. Okay. Then Indian importers turning to the bunkers as container line capacity is struggling. Okay, turning to the bunkers container line capacity is struggling. Okay, this is also highlight. Then transit time stabilized with a slight improvement to UK to US and Gulf Coast. Okay, this is also highlights. Then next one is bunker cost. Bunker cost is increased due to rising of oil pricing. Okay, so these are the market highlights of the July 2024. Okay, we will try to bring this as update like monthly basis. Okay, so guys, we have understand this market highlights. Okay, and in next session we will cover some another important trade line insight. Okay, trade line insight. So this will cover in the next session. So guys, we are just going to end the session here. Thanks for watching the session. Have a nice day.